has to reload after every shot. Now what's happening there? Oh. I'm rolling. Ooh, I got an AK. Never mind. Get up.
I landed it inside.
Wait, I gotta turn off my auto pickup.
Ooh, I'll just have to drop it. Okay. I'm finding every single weapon. I usually find the opposite. I usually find only pistols.
Yeah, I have an AK right now.
I have a
well, I
like
didn't pick it up, but
yeah.
Oh, you can use melee weapons.
Oh, okay, hallelujah. Oh, got a pistol. Can we get the automatic pistol?
Yeah, still pistol.
Okay.
I really want the P9. That's my favorite.
The what? The P92?
P92.
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, what? Can I have it?
Here, I got another
P11.
P92. No, I got P92.
Oh, can I have the old P9? Where's the P?
Yeah, I'll trade you the P92 for the
P911.
Oh, someone's in here. Jeez, I was loud.
Are you sure? Oh, I see.
It's a
Are you sure?
It's at the top floor.
Come to me. Are you good?
I don't know what
you
he
got
had.
The
He had something.
P19. I want the P92, not the P19.
He had a vector.
Where are you?
Yeah, there's two P92s.
Where's the P92?
There's two of them.
Where is it? Where's where are you going?
Right here.
Oh yeah.
Okay, I can't use that.
Hey, you want some ammo?
M416.
Drop it.
Okay,
you
I'm
want
gonna keep the solo.
Ammo?
Do you
ammo.
45?
Ammo. I got you ammo. I got you ammo, yeah.
Okay. I got supplies.
Okay, thank you. There's an AK.
We need red dots too, real bad. I'd have 2 red AKs right now. No, an M416 and that's what I'd have.
Okay, we need to get some better stuff. I like pistols actually. They're really fun to play with.
I need to, yeah, it's like my favorite to play with. But I need a red dot.
Just,
wait.
Oh.
You stay down here.
Here, you want this 9mm? There's a bunch.
9mm? Yeah. Okay.
It's so fun to play around with people. There's some more 9mm down here. It's so fun to play people.
John, do you have a red dot? How many red dots do you have?
I don't even have one, I don't think.
Oh, I got 4!
You do.
I got ammo up here.
I got laser sights.
I got supplies.
For me. So you use 9mm and I use 45 ACP.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, so
I have so many bandages though.
should I keep the silencer on or off if I have it?
Keep the silencer.
Okay.
But it sounds like it does. It doesn't.
It doesn't do as much damage, I don't think, but it's
yeah, it does.
It makes it.
It says you listen to, like, if you watch when you go into a game, it'll show you, and it says silencers do as much damage as the non-silencers.
Oh, okay. I got a extended mag down here.
You do?
I got supplies.
Or no, quick draw.
I can't use it. I already.
Okay. Ooh, I had an extended quick draw.
Oh my gosh, you weren't looking right there, were you?
Oh no, I was dropping something. What was it? I heard you breathing real heavily. It's
you gonna look at me?
What's in your back? Is it crowbar?
Look at me. No, look at me. Look at my face.
Oh. Why does it look so glitchy? The red dot.
Holy! Your silencer was like. Oh, I see somebody.
Where?
I just shot to let him know here.
Is he in this house?
No. He's running like a rope.
He so is.
He's not in. There's not nobody.
Dang it,
I didn't see anybody in. But the person I seen was totally not house.
I want the AK so bad. If you find another red dot, give it to me.
Oh, what? I just got teleported. No, I wanted this. Okay.
Oh, I found it in mini port.
I don't even have half.
Ooh, I got something. Okay.
I'm basically enough. Oh crap! I found an S12K.
I just got a red dot and I'm ready to use it.
Are you getting fought? Wait, I'm in the middle of that. Over here? Wait, there's more of them. I just got shot.
Oh,
Ooh.
hallelujah. Ooh, okay, I was about to say that's my kill.
There's another guy over here though.
Okay. Oh.
Always reload after. Oh crap!
That was my kill. Eli, you just stole my kill.
Okay,
You
but
100%
I'll admit.
stole my kill.
I know. I'll admit it. Do you want the loot? You get the loot. You get the loot. Come here.
You probably took something.
I'm sorry.
Pistols are like the slowest weapons to run with.
What's he have?
Get it 8 times.
Ooh, yeah, keep it just in case you get like a sniper.
Yeah.
Oh wait, what? I got
I'm
it.
keeping my 2 times still, just in case of that.
Yeah, just in case you get a sniper. That stuff.
I'll give it to you if I maybe use 8 times.
If you get a sniper, I'll give you my.
You know, I don't really like the 8 times as much. I like the 6 times and 4 times.
I tried to tell you that 6 times are better. Now I'm starting to like 8 better. I feel very wobbly with the 6 times, especially when it's on my UMP9. Because that's what I use it on. Because my UMP.
Why do you use it on the UMP9? It's just nasty.
I know my UMP9, man. I'm gobbly with that gun.
Why is it so
My highest aim. You know what my 2 weapons were? Try to guess them. That I used.
Shotgun, the
Nope. Nope. Nope.
Thompson?
Nope.
Oh, I thought I found a sniper. I was gonna be quiet there for a second.
It was a Kar9
Did I just drop a full med kit? Yep, I did.
and an SKS.
I don't have enough space. What the heck?
I did the Kar98 SKS.
I don't think any good snipers.
And I had 21 kills. I think I had 21 kills. SKS Kar98.
Okay, just got. So.
Oh, Mickey. Hey, Mickey.
Eli.
Hey, Mickey.
Do you hate whenever you
Oh,
have?
Mickey, you're so my Hey, Mickey. Hey, Mickey. That's not even me. Oh, such a good song.
Eli, do you know whenever you get full space, but it doesn't auto pick up something better that you could actually get? Don't you hate that? I wish they'd make it different.
Oh, I got a silencer, yes.
I've had a silencer for a bit.
I know. Again, I have my pistol. All I can use on a pistol right now is a foregrip.
Dang it, I need to go close. I forgot that the traits were close from last night and they're really nasty.
Yeah. From Mirror Fight.
Yeah, mirror.
Oh, Mickey,
Eli, stop singing.
Who is Granny Slaughterhouse?
That's my... I'll tell you whenever we're not recording. I'm gonna have to edit that part out.
He's hilarious. Or whoever it is. I watched one of their videos. Telemarketer called Granny Slaughterhouse. Oh, these.
Okay, I'll just say.
Oh, John, I see. He's hilarious. I love him.
Old man.
You go to. Oh, I seen him.
There's 3 different people. So one to the right. There's one still shooting.
I'm attacking.
There's one in this house. I'm gonna try to kill him.
I got one. Zombie, come here. Enemies on me.
Okay. Dang it. Why don't anybody have snipers? Jeez.
This guy was knocked. I'm watching him have a car 98. Oh, he had double skull. What's this guy got?
He's
UMP9.
up the top of the mountain. There's also someone shooting like
Oh.
over that.
Enemies
direction.
ahead.
Dude, I wonder when I kill these people, they're like, what is this guy doing? Why did he use this pistol? Dun, 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 dun.
Let's get up on top of this mountain and try to kill some dudes. How many kills you got? Did you
4.
get 98?
Oh, no. Never have
By
just
the
got
way-
that very specific thing you said.
You stole one of my kills, so we're even right now.
Okay, I stole one of your kills. Wait, you stole one of my kills?
No, I did. I mean, you did.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, I'm sniping someone. It's a pistol. Oh no, I thought.
Oh,
it
okay.
was.
Did you even hit a shot?
I don't know. It looked like I did.
Here, I'll snap somebody with my pistol.
Oh, that's a very nice, well pistol you have. Also
I hit him.
Also
What?
known as the Car 98.
I hit him. I hit both of them.
Okay, I'm hitting like every.
What
single
the heck?
shot. Oh, I got a shot.
I am too.
It takes like
Why
a
is it
year.
saying
It
I'm
takes like
not?
a year for my bullets to travel there.
Holy crap! I'm getting shot.
Is that a bot?
Shooting me?
No, the one that's right there. He just keeps on shooting me.
Yeah, I think.
He's
Get down, get down.
Oh jeez, I
Get
heard
down.
that whiz by my head.
I'll shoot this guy.
I'm trying to kill him too.
Oh my gosh, I'm slipping. My gun's flipping out of control. Ah!
Okay.
I hit some shots on him.
I think
I'm
it's
unloading.
on the school windows. It's really hard to see. I can't tell.
What the
Ow,
heck? Why
I
is
got
my
hit.
red dot off?
They got a weak weapon that they're trying to snipe us with.
My red dot is off. Watch out, this guy's shooting you.
Duh.
I don't know where he's at though.
Okay, you stole one of my kills and also you got a Car 98. You're way ahead of me.
I don't know where this guy's at.
He's at the school somewhere. We're just gonna have to charge in. I don't have a good scope.
No, I need to. Ooh.
I see him. I see him.
What's he
Enemies
got?
In
ahead.
that window. I don't know. He's on the right corner.
Enemies ahead.
Where?
On that window. That exact.
Enemies ahead.
Ow. I don't think he has anybody with him.
I don't see him.
What's going on
Mark
in
him.
the living room? Oh, he's peeking the corner like very top. I'm gonna have to.
I tried. Shoot at him and. Ooh, did you hit him?
Yeah, I headshot him.
Ooh. Oh, I can see his back. Shoot him again. I can kill him if you do that again.
No, I'm just gonna go charge him.
Shoot towards him.
I'm gonna try to throw a grenade at
Shoot
him.
towards him. Okay.
Oh, there's two of them. There's two of them.
Shoot him.
Is this the right floor? I think it is.
Yeah, you're on the right floor. I about shot him. Watch out, you're on the side.
His teammate's in here, I think. I heard someone else.
Oh, snap for you. Watch out, watch out. I think I see him.
Oh, jeez! They're doing the pistol challenge too! It freaked me out.
Oh, wait, I see him. He's on bottom floor.
Oh, I got that new SMG.
Don't drop it.
He's on
Oh, wait, I
first.
see somebody. They're coming in your house. They're coming in the school. They're coming in the school. Through the entrance.
Oh my gosh. What weapon is that scaring me? I think it's a DP-28.
No, it's
Oh,
way
hey,
louder than that.
sweetheart. How you doing? Yeah, it's a DP28. He's gonna kill me. Come in, Neela.
I'm coming.
He can't kill
Zigzag.
me. He's stupid. He's stupid.
Oh, I see him.
He's stupid.
Move your dead body.
I'm gonna die, Eli. Come in.
Or not.
Yes, I am. I'm 100%.
Oh yeah, you're in the zone. Crawl out. Crap.
Okay, I'm spectating you.
I hit him.
He should be pretty weak.
I hit him.
Just wait till he
Hit a body
rushes out
shot
the
on him.
house. He's gonna have to rush out sometime. Like a good Russian. Okay, you're in the zone. You should be good. There's no way you can survive that. I shot him so many times in the head.
I shot him too.
He has to be dead by now. He's gonna die anyway sometime.
He has to be close.
There's no way he can make it. Check around the other corner too. Maybe he's
I see him.
in the whole lab.
Got him. I shot him again.
What the heck? How is this guy's invincible?
Oh, I about hit him. I about hit him again. About hit him.
Shot the rock.
He hit the rock, or he would have been still. He'd be dead right now.
Oh, someone to your right. One to your right, Eli. Behind you. That's not your right, Jesus.
Yes, it is.
That is
What
not
do you
your
mean?
right. Okay, I'm gonna
Then
edit
say it backwards.
and I'm
then.
gonna show you your left and rights. Okay.
Just shut up. Go.
Okay.